Are you looking to enhance your Twitter experience by enabling the search quality filter on your PC? Let's walk through the simple steps to help you filter and refine your search results effectively. To begin, head to the Twitter homepage and utilize the search bar at the top of the page to search for any topic, keyword, or user. Upon entering your search query, the primary results page will display popular tweets from various users. To access additional search filters, locate and click on Show next to the Search Filters menu on the left side of the page. Within the Search Filters menu, click on Quality Filter to refine your search results based on quality. To activate the quality filter, simply select Quality Filter On to ensure that your search results prioritize high-quality content. By following these straightforward steps, you can enable the search quality filter on Twitter from your PC, allowing you to discover relevant and engaging content, while filtering out unwanted or low-quality results. Enhance your Twitter browsing experience by utilizing the quality filter to access valuable and informative tweets tailored to your preferences. Stay informed and engage with high-quality content on Twitter by enabling the search quality filter today.